In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for models 211770 and 211780. Be advised your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material. Carefully lift the string trimmer out of the box and set it on a level surface. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Attach the edge guide. Pull the edge guide apart and insert the ends into the two holes on the trimmer head. Attach the guard. Remove the two pre-installed screws in the guard using a Phillips head screwdriver. Slide the guard into the grooves on the trimmer head base. Align the screw holes on the guard with the screw holes on the base. Reinstall the screws and tighten using a Phillips screwdriver. Assemble the shaft. The three shafts are connected by a cable. Be careful not to damage this wire during assembly. Align the release button with the positioning hole on the lower shaft. Push in the release button on the lower shaft. Slide the two shafts together until the button locks into the positioning hole. Repeat this process to attach the upper shaft. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob from the handle. Push the handle onto the shaft. Reinstall the knob and tighten to secure. Remove the tape from the cutting line and cutoff blade. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.